Did you know your brain can trap you in places you desperately want to leave? You're at a party that stopped being fun an hour ago. Your coat is right there. The door is 10 feet away, but you stay. Not because you want to, because your brain is calculating. What if you miss something important after you leave? What if people notice your exit and judge the timing? What if leaving now seems rude or weird or wrong? Your mind turns a simple decision into an impossible equation. It weighs every variable, every possible regret, every social consequence. This is choice paralysis. Your brain evolved to avoid bad decisions, but it can't predict the future, so it does what it always does. It stalls. It waits for perfect information that will never come. Everyone experiences this at parties, in relationships, in jobs. Most people think they're just indecisive. They aren't. Your brain isn't failing you. It's trying to solve a problem that has no perfect solution.